What if I told you that the credit score system, the three-digit number that controls almost every financial decision in your American life, was specifically designed to keep you borrowing money forever? Your FICO score isn't there to help you. It's there to make banks rich. And once you understand how it actually works, you'll never look at your credit score the same way again. Hey, welcome back. I'm Jude. On this channel, we give every American the honest financial truth that nobody else will tell you. Today, we're talking about the American credit score system, what it really is, who really benefits from it, and the 4 credit score mistakes that are silently destroying the financial freedom of millions of hardworking Americans. Let's get into it. Most Americans treat their credit score like a report card. But here's the truth. Your FICO credit score was created in 1989 by a company called Fair Isaac Corporation. It was not created by the U.S. government. It was not created to help American consumers. It was created as a tool for lenders, banks, credit card companies, and financial institutions. Think about what actually raises your credit score in America. Opening new credit cards raises your score. Taking out loans raises your score. Having multiple types of debt raises your score. Paying off all your debt and closing accounts lowers your score. Do you see the pattern? The American credit score system literally rewards you for being in debt and punishes you for being debt-free. That is not a system designed to help American consumers. That is a system designed to keep Americans borrowing. Now let's talk about the 4 credit score mistakes that are costing American families thousands of dollars every single year. Mistake 1. Closing old credit cards. When you close a credit card, you reduce your available credit and shorten your credit history. Leave it open with a 0 balance. Mistake 2. Maxing out credit cards even temporarily. Your credit utilization makes up 30% of your entire FICO score. The golden rule every American needs to know. Never use more than 10% of your available credit at any time, even if you pay it off every month. Mistake 3. Applying for too much credit at once. Every hard inquiry drops your score by 5 to 10 points and stays on your report for 2 years. Americans who apply to multiple lenders in the same week can drop their score 30 to 50 points instantly. Mistake 4. Ignoring credit report errors. The Federal Trade Commission found that 1 in 5 Americans, that's 20%, have at least one error on their credit report. Every American is entitled to 1 free credit report per year from each of the 3 bureaus at annualcreditreport.com. Here's how financially smart Americans actually use the credit score system. Step 1. Check your free credit report every year at annualcreditreport.com. Dispute any errors immediately. 1 error removed can raise your score 50 to 100 points. Step 2. Keep credit utilization below 10% at all times. If your credit limit is $10,000, never carry more than $1,000 balance. Step 3 now. Never close old accounts. Age of credit history is 15% of your FICO score. Your oldest card is your most valuable. Step 4. Use credit cards for regular purchases and pay in full every month. You get the credit building benefit, the rewards points, and you pay 0 interest. Measure your value as a borrower. Number 1. The credit score system rewards debt and punishes being debt-free. Number 2. Never use more than 10% of your available credit. Number 3. Check your free credit report every year and dispute errors. Number 4. Use credit strategically, not emotionally. If this video changed how you think about your credit score, Smash that like button and subscribe for more honest American money talk every single week. Drop a comment below. What is your current credit score? I want to hear from real Americans. See you in the next one.